Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Come Dance With Me. The song is Come Dance With Me. The artist is Charmeka Joquelle featuring CUPID. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the dance. If you want the step-by-step instruction, please click at the end of this video.
Visions Productions.
We got another one.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got a new dance song for y'all. And if y'all don't mind, we gonna take it back. Like dancing in the streets. So what I need for y'all to do is everybody get down here to the dance floor. I'm gonna show y'all how it go, and then we gonna turn it up. 2 steps to the left, and 2 steps to the right. Now kick, turn. Now kick, turn. Now cha-cha with your right. Cha-cha with your left. Then you work it in the middle. Hey, turn it out, come on. Now 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right. Then you kick, turn. Now kick, turn. Now cha-cha with your right. Cha-cha with your left. Then you work it in the middle. Woo! Turn it out. Calling out around the world. Don't you wanna come and dance with me? Now everybody's here and the time is right. Clap your hands and move your feet. Everybody's moving. Woo! We got the kids and the aunties too. Can't you see we're grooving? Woo! Come on, baby, you ain't got nothing to lose. We gonna take it 2 steps to the left and 2 steps to the right. Now kick, turn. Now kick, turn. Now cha-cha with your right, cha-cha with your left. Then you work it in the middle. Hey, turn it out, come on. Now 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right. Then you kick, turn. Now kick, turn. Now cha-cha with your right, cha-cha with your left. Then you work it in the middle. Woo! Turn it out.
You already know who it is and what to do. You got CUPID in the building. That means it's time to move. Not dropping, give it 50. Shout it, break it down. Don't let me get tipsy, especially on that brown, 'cause I be killing it. She like the way I dance, her mama feeling it. Oh man, yeah, we gon' have to deal with it. 'Cause I don't want no trouble, just a good damn time. Come on, yeah.
2 steps to the left and 2 steps to the right. Now kick, turn. Now kick, turn. Now cha-cha with your right, cha-cha with your left. Then you work it in the middle. Hey, turn it out, come on. Now 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right. Then you kick, turn. Now kick, turn. Now cha-cha with your right, cha-cha with your left. Then you work it in the middle. Woo! Turn it out, come on. Louis, Charmeka Joquelle. Yeah.
You already know. Hit the floor. Alright, let's go. Ooh,
And there you go. Come dance with me. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instructions. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.